We're at Labor Creek Park. Never been here before. About to check it out. I brought my rig. Got the Gator going on. I'm about to go see what this place is about. First part of the creek looks pretty good. Got some scale grass. If y'all are interested in the little Gator I got, it's called a Broder or something Broder Toys. And I converted a TRX 18 with a low center gravity chassis, and I cut it up, made the Gator. It's awesome. You know, I can't really, I'm not a real scale 1/18 guy, but if it looks like a 1/18 scale and I can turn a 1/18 scale into a 1/10 scale thing, then I'm all for it. It was pretty cool. I hope y'all like the Broder. It was fun and it crawls pretty good, you know what I mean? It did pretty good. Super cool spot. There's all kinds of stuff. The ravine, tons of rocks, tons of cool trail stuff. I haven't heard anybody. It's just me trailing all by myself, just solo. Super cool though. Especially my trailer's doing pretty good actually. I didn't think it'd do so good, but trailer's actually doing really well. It was hand built as well. It's pretty cool. I'm not really digging the hitch. I had to put a rubber band on there to hold it, but other than that, it's coming out pretty good. Got some super swampers on there. Got a spare super swamper. Got my stretch steel. He's got his rifle in the back. Don't ask what he's got under that tarp. Well, that was Culebra Creek Park off of Culebra. Pretty cool place. Pretty cool. It's not really gnarly, but got some pretty cool lines. Got some cool footage. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Thanks for all the likes y'all been showing me and showing me all the love. Comment, tell me what y'all want to see next. And yeah, thanks for watching.